morning, everyone. How was your guys' weekend?
Good.
Good. All right, so today we're going to be going over two-step equations. So last week we went over one-step equations, and this is going to be really similar. The first thing we're going to do is identify the variable. So does anyone remember from last week what the variable is? Yes.
It's the number that we don't know, and it's a letter.
Right. So in this case, it's going to be x, and it's going to be what we're solving for. So you want to get the x all by itself on one side of the equal sign. All right, and then does anyone remember what the other term we went over was? Yes.
A constant.
Good. And what is a constant?
It's the numbers that stay the same.
Right. So they're the numbers that we already know, and they're not going to change. They're constant the entire way throughout the problem. So the first step is going to be to add or subtract. So you're going to take whatever they're doing in the problem and you're going to do the opposite. So here they're subtracting 5. So we're going to add 5 to cancel it out. So we're going to add 5 here on this side, and then we're also going to add 5 to this side of the equation, because whatever you do to one side, you always have to do to the other to keep it even. So the 5's cancel out, and then you have 13 plus 5, which is going to be 18. And then you bring the 2x down. So you have 2x equals 18, and then you're going to go to step number 2. So here you're going to multiply or divide, and in this case we're multiplying 2 times x. So we're going to do the opposite, so we're going to divide. So divide by 2 on both sides. These are going to cancel out, and we're going to get x equals, what's 18 over 2?
9.
So we have an answer now, but we're not done yet. There's one more thing we have to do. We have to go back and check our answer. So to do that, we're going to take the answer that we got right here, and you're going to plug it back in for the x in the original equation. So we're going to put the 9 right here, and we're going to solve. So 2 times 9 is 18. And then we have 18 minus 5, which is 13. Good. So our answers match, which is a good thing. When that happens, we can tell that our answer right here is going to be correct. So that's the answer. We're going to try one more example, and you guys are going to help me with this one. All right, so what's the first step?
Identify the variable.
Right, so that's going to be our x again. We want to get that all by itself. So what's step number 1 of two-step equations?
Subtract 3.
Right, so to subtract or add, and in this case we're going to subtract the 3's so that they cancel out. And you bring the x over 2 down. And 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. So then step number 2 is multiply or divide, and what are we going to do here?
Multiply.
Right, and why do we multiply?
Because it's the opposite of divide.
Right, so here we have x divided by 2. So to cancel that out, we're going to multiply it by 2 on each side. So the 2's are going to cancel out here, and we're going to bring down the x. So we have x equals 1 times 2, which is going to equal 2. So that's our answer, and now we want to check it. So we're going to take the 2 and we're going to plug it in right here in the original equation. So 2 over 2, those are going to cancel out, and you're going to get 1. And 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. So our answers match. And what does that tell us?
That x equals 2 is correct.
Right, and we know that this is the correct answer because these two numbers match. So I know there's a couple steps to remember, so I made up a song to make it easier for you guys to remember the steps. If you guys want to go ahead and sing it with me. Two-step equations can be pretty fun. The first thing you do is start with step 1. You add or subtract, remember both sides. Then for step 2, we multiply or divide. Now you've got an answer and we're almost done. Let's go back and check our work. Everyone Substitute your answer for the variable, and you should get two numbers that are equal. If your numbers match, that means you've done it right, and your future in math is looking bright. Good job, you guys.